Welcome to Three Ridings Coffee. Today I'm going to do an instructional video for the Mokapot. Whether you're going to be brewing at home or whether you're going to be somewhere in the great outdoors like we are today in East Yorkshire. First up, it's time to boil some water. Ideally, we need you to have water that's either come from the filter tap or it's bottled. That makes sure that there's no nasties in the water and it gives you a cleaner cup of coffee. So we'll get that on to boil. Get your pan or your kettle on and then just sit back for a couple of minutes and enjoy the view in God's own country. That brings us to coffee. Obviously we recommend Three Ridings coffee. Today I'm going to be using a mouse's tail. That's what we would definitely recommend for a Mokapot. So in there you want to have about 16 grams of coffee. I've pre-measured out already. You want that grind to be a medium fine grind, so it's just above espresso coarseness. We don't want that coffee to be too bitter, so we want that just to be like a salt-like consistency. So it's time to put the coffee in the Mokapot. Okay, 3 parts of the Mokapot. Coffee goes in this chamber here. Fill it to the top of the chamber. One important thing to note, don't tamp or try and pat down the coffee. Just even it out around the edges. Coffee's ready next to the water. Okay, water's boiled now, so we need to put it into the chamber. This bottom chamber, it's got a safety valve on it. We don't go above the safety valve with the water. Put your water down. Pour it in. Don't forget this is now going to be hot, so be careful with your fingers. Coffee on top. Move your pans out of the way. Bottom bit's going to be hot. Screw it on, nice and tight, ready to go on top of your stove. Keep the lid on, but systematically just check to see whether the coffee's coming through or not yet. Coffee's coming through now, I can hear the gurgle. Turn off the pot. Coffee ready. That bit cheesy.